So how do we get started? Well, the first step is to sign up for HostGator hosting. To get the best available deal, go to the link right here at the bottom of the screen, or just scroll down to the video description and click on the first link you find there. That's our special partner link. It'll make sure you're getting the best available deal when you sign up. Once you go to that link, you'll be brought to this page right here. And the first thing we'll do is click on Get Started. And that's going to bring you down to the plan options. Here you'll see you have 4 different options to choose from. You have the Hatchling plan, Baby plan, and the Business and Pro plans. The Hatchling plan is great if you just need something simple for a single website. The Baby plan is the plan that I recommend the most. It gives you more flexibility and even lets you create multiple websites if you want to. The Business and Pro plans are designed for bigger projects or growing businesses that need lots of extra features. And if you want to see everything broken down for each plan, you can scroll down here to get the full details. All plans do include a free domain, free SSL, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. For this tutorial, I'll be going with the Baby plan. So I'll go down and click on Choose Plan. As I mentioned earlier, you'll get a free domain with any plan that you choose. You can also use an existing domain if you already have one, or you can register a new one here. There's also an option for private registration, which I definitely recommend turning on. It keeps your personal contact information hidden from the public, and it will help reduce spam on your website. For this video, I'll be registering a new domain, so I'll click into this box here, and I'll type in HostGatorWPtutorial.com. Once you've typed in your domain, go over here and click on Search for Domain. And if that domain is available, it will automatically be added into your cart for free. Now let's go ahead and review our cart. At the top, you'll see your hosting plan and your billing term. It's set to 3 years by default. But you can also switch this to monthly or 1 year. As you can see, the cost for a monthly plan is significantly higher, so I would recommend going with 1 year or 3 years. For this video, I'll go ahead with the 1 year plan. Next, we have our data center. HostGator will automatically pick the one closest to you for the best performance, so I'll just leave this as default. Below that, you'll see your free domain, and then your domain privacy and protection. You also have a professional email free trial. And down below, you also have some additional add-ons. These are completely optional, and you can add any of these if you'd like to. After you've reviewed your cart and you're happy with your purchase, go to the right-hand side and click on Continue to Checkout. And here you'll need to enter your billing information and payment information. I've gone ahead and entered in my payment information and billing address, so I'll go to the right-hand side here and click on Submit Payment. And once that's done, you'll be brought to this success page here. You'll also get a confirmation email with all of your order information and login details, so be on the lookout for that. From here, just click on Login to Account, and you'll be automatically signed in to the HostGator account that you just created. So I'll click on Login to Account here. And you'll get this pop-up message here.